Here I've got CUBOT Power, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Then you have to scroll down a bit and open apps and notifications. Then open all apps, so click on see all apps, and then select more icon, which is 3 dots one in right upper corner, where you will find reset app preferences function. Simply click on it. And just be aware that this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. However, you will not lose any app data. So if you still want to perform this process, click on Reset Apps. And that's it. You've just reset app preferences. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.